Hello，我係 Belly Beauty 嘅 Gabby 啊，今日好開心咧，可以請到幾位嚟自唔同地方嘅朋友啦，親身同我哋分享下佢哋做 Brazilian waxing 嘅經驗。
我中意用蜜蠟係因為佢好似乾淨啲，又冇咁痛，同埋係咯乾淨啲咯，唔會留咗喺自己嗰啲有啲毛啊咁樣唔清潔，俾人睇到好似唔係幾好咁啊。
點解會脫毛啊？其實咧係好耐之前，我啲朋友咁佢哋就成日喺度講話有幾好咁樣啦。咁香港天氣其實好潮濕嘅，咁所以有一次咧喺無意之中咧就上網揾咗 Gabby，咁所以就開始咗做 waxing 咯。
就係方便咯，夏天嗰陣時候着泳衣嗰陣時方便啲啦，同埋冇咁熱咯，個感覺係。
你一來自己做係好難做，二來佢生翻出嚟嘅時候咧，佢係其實會好吉咁樣咯。
係因為自己處理會比較麻煩，同埋又唔全面咯。
Especially now in summer, it's probably a little bit annoying when you always have to shave yourself and then somehow it's not that clean. So when you get like really sleeveless stuff and probably people will see a little black dots and stuff. So it's really annoying. That's why I get waxed usually.
Because I don't really like shaving, I tend to get a rash, and so yeah, I just like waxing because it's longer lasting and it's cleaner.
我唔做 laser 係因為之前睇過上網嗰啲 survey 話若果做 laser 嘅話係會有少少會拎到你生 cancer 咁樣，因為佢塞住啲毛孔啊，對毛孔唔好咁樣咯。
即係唔係身體每一個位都可以做激光咯，即係會有啲會有啲好敏感嘅位嘅話，你都唔想做激光嗰啲咯，係咯。
I have considered laser treatment, but I think there are a few health risks. I'm not convinced it's the way forward for me, so I'm going to stick to waxing for now.
因為其實我係好怕痛。咁我記得我第一次打電話俾 Gabby 嘅時候咧，佢唔識我咁樣，但係我已經同佢講咗，我真係好怕痛咁樣。咁佢就叫我食定 Panadol。咁嗰次係冇食到嘅。之後第一次做嘅時候，其實冇我想象中咁痛，即係 even 係連1/10都冇。咁所以之後就 keep 住都揾 Gabby 啦。咁同埋佢係好好嘅，即係佢一路做 waxing 嘅過程嘅時候咧，佢會一路同我傾偈，傾埋啲其實唔關事，即係我純粹係傾偈咁樣。咁所以就 distract 咗我。咁之後就一路都揾 Gabby 咁樣。
第一次覺得有少少痛，但係個問題係好彩我又唔係好怕痛啊。跟住之後越做得多，即係做得開始多少少嘅時候，其實啲毛孔都已經放鬆晒啊，皮膚又習慣咗咁樣，咁其實都 OK 係咯。
If I'm honest with you, there are times when it hurts, but yeah, Gabby's so professional, it's over very quickly, and if it hurts, it's just momentarily, so it's not too bad.
第一次做 waxing 嗰時會痛，但係嗰種痛嘅程度係絕對可以接受嘅。
點解香港比較少女仔做 waxing 啊？其實以我所知，就我身邊嘅朋友咧，其實通常都係外國翻嚟嘅，做 waxing 會比較多。香港嘅女仔咧，大部分最多都係會做手或者腳。我諗係因為佢哋會覺得有啲尷尬，即係因為由第二個人去幫佢做噶嘛。咁其實我覺得香港女仔係普遍因為覺得尷尬而比較少做 waxing 咯，
比較保守少少咯佢哋，所以係我唔係咯，即係所以咪少啲人咁樣樣咯，係。
如果佢哋心思思，我會同佢講，做咗你就知道嗰個情況係點，個感覺係點，好過你去空想咯。
If I had to advise someone younger that wanted to try waxing, I'd definitely get them to try Gabby, because it can be an embarrassing situation, but with Gabby it's not. You feel at ease, she's just very friendly, and yeah, it's a comfortable environment to be in to have a wax.
因為我係已經公認地怕痛嘅人啦，我同佢哋講過，其實俾 Gabby 做個痛嘅程度其實係比我想象中細好多。咁所以其實好多朋友已經俾我游說咗 去開始佢哋嘅 Brazilian waxing 咯。
Yeah. If someone asked me about waxing and they got interested, actually, I'll really prefer her to come to Gabby and then get waxing because it's not that expensive and then it's reliable and it's clean, especially summer, so probably people would like it.
Some wax therapists kind of, you rush in and you rush out, but Gabby always likes to have a chat and you feel like she's just very friendly, and I think that's why, you know, I keep coming back and probably all her other clients do as well.
Gabby 個人真係好 nice， 同埋呢度俾到你個感覺好 warm 咯。同埋 Gabby 真係好專業咯，唔會話好痛。
繼續翻嚟揾 Gabby 係因為我覺得佢傾得埋啦，再加上你知女仔啲所謂 private place 咧，唔係好想俾咁多人見到嘛，咁所以如果信得過嘅，咁一個就夠啦。
I love it. I've had a facial with Gabby before and it was wonderful, and everyone commented afterwards saying how nice my skin looked, so I'm looking forward to the next one.
睇完我哋咁多位嘉賓分享翻佢哋 waxing 嘅經驗同埋感覺之後，係咪覺得 Brazilian waxing 一啲都唔神秘同埋恐怖呢？咁如果你有任何嘅問題，歡迎你去到我哋 bellybeauty.com 或者打電話俾我哋查詢翻啦。
呢個少少。
I can't help but smile.
Hello， 我係 Belly Beauty 嘅 Gabby 啊，唔好意思啊。
Well, I'd like to book my husband in, but I don't think he'd turn up. He's a bit hairier than I am.